Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you amazing backyard kitchen pergola design ideas and guide for outdoor kitchen benefits, design ideas, and best furniture choices to create your own backyard oasis. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. For those who yearn to extend their culinary and social experiences beyond the confines of the kitchen, the backyard kitchen gazebo beckons. This captivating structure seamlessly integrates the joy of outdoor living with the functionality of a fully equipped kitchen, creating an idyllic haven for entertaining and relaxation. A backyard kitchen gazebo is a freestanding, roofed structure typically constructed from wood, vinyl, or metal. Unlike a traditional gazebo which prioritizes aesthetics and shade, a kitchen gazebo incorporates a functional kitchen area with amenities like grills, countertops, sinks, and storage. This ingenious combination allows homeowners to cook, dine, and socialize al fresco, fostering a deeper connection with the outdoors. The allure of a backyard kitchen gazebo extends far beyond aesthetics. Here are some compelling reasons to consider incorporating this versatile structure into your backyard oasis. First, enhanced entertaining. Host unforgettable gatherings with a dedicated space for grilling, preparing dishes, and enjoying meals with loved ones. The open-air atmosphere fosters a vibrant and relaxed ambience, perfect for creating lasting memories. Second, extended living space. Transform your backyard into a functional extension of your home. The kitchen gazebo allows you to enjoy the beauty of nature while preparing meals, savoring cocktails, or simply unwinding with a book. Third, increased home value. A well-designed kitchen gazebo adds significant value to your property, particularly for those who prioritize outdoor living. It becomes a focal point for backyard enjoyment, enhancing the overall appeal of your home. Fourth, year-round functionality. With proper planning and strategic placement, your kitchen gazebo can be enjoyed throughout the year. Opt for retractable screens or weatherproof curtains for protection against insects and inclement weather. How do I decorate my backyard kitchen gazebo to look amazing? Transform your backyard kitchen gazebo into a visually stunning and inviting space with these design considerations. First, embrace the natural surroundings. Utilize natural elements like stone, wood, and wicker furniture to create a harmonious connection between the gazebo and your outdoor environment. Second, lighting is key. String lights, lanterns, and strategically placed sconces provide both ambience and functionality during evening gatherings. Consider dimmers for adjustable lighting effects. Third, textile touches. Inject warmth and personality with colorful throw pillows, weatherproof rugs, and flowing curtains. Opt for durable outdoor fabrics that can withstand the elements. Fourth, greenery galore. Hanging plants, potted herbs, and strategically placed planters breathe life into your gazebo. Integrate greenery that thrives in your climate for year-round vibrancy. And to complete your inspiration, here are the top 10 best backyard kitchen gazebo ideas that you can try to apply. 1. Rustic retreat. Embrace a natural aesthetic with exposed wooden beams, stone countertops, and woven furniture. Integrate a fire pit nearby for additional warmth and ambience. 2. Modern marvel. Utilize sleek metal lines, minimalist furniture, and contemporary lighting to create a sophisticated and stylish space. 3. Tropical paradise. Transport yourself to an island oasis with vibrant fabrics, woven furniture, and lush greenery. Opt for pops of turquoise and coral for a touch of whimsy. 4. Mediterranean charm. Evoke the warmth of the Mediterranean with terracotta tiles, wrought iron accents, and potted citrus trees. String fairy lights to add a touch of magic to the evenings. 5. Nautical nook. Create a nautical haven with blue and white striped fabrics, rope accents, and nautical-themed artwork. Add a touch of coastal charm with seashells and starfish displays. 6. Minimalist masterpiece. Embrace clean lines, neutral tones, and streamlined furniture to create a calming and sophisticated space. 7. Bohemian rhapsody. Inject personality with colorful textiles, patterned rugs, and eclectic furniture pieces. String dream catchers and incorporate macrame accents for an artistic touch. 8. Global fusion. Celebrate the world with a mix of cultural influences. Integrate Moroccan lanterns, Indian tapestries, and African masks for a truly unique and vibrant space. 9. Mid-century modern. Embrace the retro charm of mid-century modern furniture with pops of orange, turquoise, and yellow. Geometric patterns and chrome accents complete the look. Ten. Rustic chic. Combine the warmth of rustic elements with elegant touches. Opt for distressed wooden furniture, whitewashed accents, and floral arrangements in vintage vases. Now, for the last part about furnishing your backyard kitchen gazebo. When selecting furniture for your backyard kitchen gazebo, prioritize functionality, durability, and aesthetics. Here's a breakdown of essential pieces. First, seating. Opt for comfortable outdoor chairs with weatherproof cushions. Choose a dining set if you plan on hosting large gatherings. Consider a swing or hammock for a touch of relaxation. Second, tables. Select a sturdy table that complements your chosen design style. Consider a bar height table if you plan on incorporating bar stools. Opt for a table with an umbrella hole for additional sun protection. Third, storage. Built-in cabinets or a weatherproof sideboard offer valuable storage space for cookware, utensils, and serving platters. Transform your backyard into an entertainer's paradise with a stunning kitchen gazebo. Explore a variety of design ideas on the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for inspiration to create your own backyard oasis. The backyard kitchen gazebo presents a compelling opportunity to elevate your outdoor living experience. By incorporating the tips and ideas presented in this guide, you can create a functional, stylish, and inviting space that fosters lasting memories with loved ones. Don't hesitate to unleash your creativity and personalize your backyard kitchen gazebo into a true reflection of your style and personality. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.